At Demaco, we take pride in the fact that we provide our customers with the best cryogenic solutions, even when their industry is changing rapidly. This is certainly the case now in the fast-developing area of liquefied natural gas, where the demand is growing due to the product's environmental and economic advantages. As natural gas is now increasingly used in its liquid form in shipping and trucking, avoiding the so-called boil-off gas is something of great interest for many industries. Demaco is a very experienced and well-known worldwide supplier of cryogenic infrastructure, in which the best possible insulation available is applied, high vacuum technology. It has been shown that when it comes to heat losses, that a vacuum insulated transfer line is 10 to 15 times better compared to glass foam insulation. At LNG receiving or bunkering terminals, this fact could lead to millions of dollars savings per year, depending on the length and size of the pipes. As a company specialized in cryo and vacuum technology, we actually view LNG as just another liquefied gas. At -162 degrees centigrade at atmospheric pressure, it is a lot warmer than many of the other liquefied gases we make systems for. This means we can build on our vast experience in working with products such as liquid nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, and even helium. Due to the variety of projects we are involved in, we are able to comprehensively research and choose the right solutions for the LNG industry. In this respect, we consider Demaco truly a cryo genius. As with any other project, we start at the engineering phase, based on the specific requirements of the client. Pipe diameters, grade of material, maximum length of spools, quality assurance and planning are defined. Stress as well as heat inlet calculations are always part of the project. Only after receiving the approval of the client does manufacturing begin. The manufacturing of the spools is undertaken in Demaco's workshops by very experienced employees. Every step in the process is carried out and closely monitored by us, from cutting the pipes and welding to constructing the spools and vacuumizing. Only when each pipe spool is carefully checked and approved is it ready for the next step in the project. It goes without saying that a Demaco project includes the delivery of a data book with all material certificates and test documents at the end of the production. If requested, Demaco will manage specialized transport to site as well as installation. We have our own specialized installation crews available for projects all over the world. One example of the rapidly growing LNG market is the development of Sweden's largest LNG project to date in Lysekil. Here, the challenge centres around the need to transport and store large quantities of LNG from the LNG plant in Reykjavik. The LNG arrives in Lysekil in tankers, and for the transportation to a storage tank, a distance of more than 850 metres and an elevation of approximately 50 metres had to be bridged. All in all, Demaco built almost 2 kilometres of 12-inch vacuum-insulated pipelines and a 2-inch circulation line. The lowest possible heat inleak, and hence boil-off gas, was crucial to the project, which was engineered and manufactured according to international standards and met the client's specifications and deadline requirements. Due to the fact that natural gas is increasingly used in its liquid form, insulation becomes a crucial part in future LNG projects. Invariably, boil-off gas is a huge waste of money that can be avoided by the use of double-walled vacuum-insulated infrastructure. From involvement in the concept phase of LNG projects, the manufacture of specially designed systems, right up to assembly and quality control on site, it's clear. Demaco. It's all about cryogenius.